if you decrease anxiety, stress, and worry, then you should be able to decrease the bruxism. And so the dental doctors and the medical doctors have decided that prescribing neuroleptics, which by definition is any drug that tends to reduce nervous tension by depressing nerve functions. And we've gone over the different categories, and the two major categories as SSRIs and benzodiazepines. So if you prescribe some of these drugs, you will depress nerve functions, and therefore decrease bruxism, and therefore prescribing neuroleptic drugs is an appropriate